Hi everyone, it's Heidi, and I wanted to just let my friends know about the Young Living CBD oil. It is something that's different than just the other CBDs that you see, so I just wanted to give you some background information about cannabis and all that kind of thing, so hopefully this will answer all your questions and give you an idea of how to use it the best. So the cannabis family of plants has marijuana plants and it has hemp plants, and the cannabis plant is known for being a toxin remover. So farmers know that if they plant the cannabis, either one of those plants, it's going to clean the air, the soil, the groundwater, all that kind of thing. Then they can take that out and then they'll plant something else. So you can kind of see how important it would be to have organic soil that didn't have any yucky stuff in it that you would want to plant your hemp plant in to get good quality CBD. And so what you're probably getting in a lot of CBD plants is a lot of junk, because they're known to be able to pull the junk out of the ground. So that's where Young Living comes in, because they are very careful about their ground. All of it's organic, doesn't have any pesticides or herbicides on it. And so what they've done is been able to, so CBD is cannabis is the main plant. Marijuana has THC in it, which you don't want, and hemp has a little bit of THC in it. And so what they do is they take the hemp plant, they make it as an isolate to be able to control how much of the THC is in there, and they've made it so that there's no THC. So THC is like this psychoactive thing that makes people's mood alters or whatever. So there is 0% of that in the Young Living CBD oil. So that is very important, because you don't want to fail any drug tests and lose your job and all that kind of thing. So Young Living's use the isolate so they can control that. Then they mix it with essential oils, and we know that essential oils are very readily accepted by our cells, and so then that helps the CBD work even better. You don't have to use as much of it that way. You're going to get a higher percentage of the CBD in your system. The one thing that's very interesting about CBD is that a lot of people think, oh, I'm just going to put it on and I'm instantly going to feel something or have relief. You have an endocannabinoid system in your body that will accept, it needs to be supported. And so you have to take CBD consistently for probably a week or two before you're going to notice any results. If you don't notice any results, then they say that you should up your dosage so that you will see some results. So that's just kind of a little bit of a start on how to take it. So how do you know if CBD is, if what you're getting is right, if it's not going to have all kinds of toxins in it? Young Living is very careful about how they do all their planting. I don't know if you've been around them very much, but you know that they're very careful about making sure that their stuff is pure. So what they do is they have an open farm policy, so you can go to any of their farms and see how they do everything. Probably no other CBD company is going to let you come in and see what they do in their farms and that kind of thing. So that gives you an indication that if you're willing to open up and let people see things, then you're going to be a pure company. So Young Living is a pure company, and so it's very important to get your CBD from them. So there's 12 different products. You can look on the website. I'll have links below where you can see how to do that. Basically what you'll do is you'll take the bottle and you shake it about 10 seconds to mix everything up. And then what I do is I take it and I put a half a dropper full under my tongue in the morning, hold it for 30 to 60 seconds, and then I also put it in at night before I go to bed, 30 to 60 seconds. And then that's how I'm going to use it very consistently to see what kind of results I get. I think that's about all I want to say. There's a lot of really good things, more things I can say about it. Maybe I'll do some more videos. Please ask any questions in the comments below, and I will do that. You do need to have a Young Living membership to be able to order the Young Living CBD oil through Nature's Ultra. You do get a discount, and there is free shipping. So you can get either the Young Living Premium Starter Kit. If you're into cleaning products, you can get the Thieves Cleaning Kit. Get started with Young Living, or you can get the Nature Red Kit, which is an antioxidant drink. So those are some options of ways to get started with Young Living so that you can access the CBD oil. So let me know if you have any questions. I hope this was really helpful for you, and you guys have a great day. Talk to you later.